Earlier we have discussed about structure of heart in human. Today we will discuss about double blood circulatory system in humans. This is a flow chart which show how blood circulation takes place in humans. This is a heart structure, 4 chambers, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. This is our lungs and this is our body organs. This is the arrangement of this flow chart. Now we will start the blood circulation. As soon as the muscles of all the 4 chambers of heart relax, the pulmonary vein bring the oxygenated blood from the lungs into the left atrium. So you can see from the lungs this oxygenated blood flows through pulmonary vein and comes into the left atrium. Immediately the left atrium contracts and the oxygenated blood is pushed into left ventricle through this bicuspid wall. As the left ventricle contracts, the oxygenated blood is pushed into the main artery called aorta. That means when the left ventricle contracts, this oxygenated blood through aorta now send it over to the whole body parts. Aorta carries blood to all the parts of the body. The body parts blood loses oxygen, and from the body this aorta now take carbon dioxide and now the blood become deoxygenated. This deoxygenated blood from the body organ takes by vena cava, which is a main vein of our body. Through vena cava, this deoxygenated blood from the body it sended over to the right atrium of our heart. As the right atrium contract, the deoxygenated blood pushed into right ventricle through tricuspid wall. When the right ventricle contract, the deoxygenated blood pumped into lungs through pulmonary artery. So again this deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle it takes to lungs through pulmonary artery. Again in the lungs this deoxygenated blood become oxygenated and again it sended over to left atrium through pulmonary vein. This way this circle is going to repeat again and again. This one circulation show over one beat of heart. In this full circulation you can see our blood entered in heart 2 times. One time oxygenated blood which comes from the lungs. Second time deoxygenated blood which comes from body organs. So in one circulation 2 times 1 and 2. 2 times blood entered in our heart. That's why the human blood circulation is also called double circulatory system. So this way we can understand about double blood circulatory system in human. This above one which is pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. So this upper one circle is known as pulmonary circulation, and the below one where the main vein vena cava and main artery aorta is written, this circulation is known as systematic circulation. So pulmonary circulation and second one is systemic circulation. to circulation, it is our double blood circulatory system. This is all about our double blood circulatory system in human. Thank you.